Hey everyone, Doug here from Meez. I'm here to show you how you can connect your purchasing information to your recipes with the goal of getting the most accurate, up-to-date plate costs possible. Let's dive in. Today we're going to work in the new purchase item table. You can think of this table as the holding area for your purchases that need some attention. Purchases will appear here when you upload a spreadsheet of your costs, sign up for a direct feed to your broadline vendors or inventory management system, or if you sign up for the full invoice processing package. So the goal of using the new purchase item table is to make sure the information from your invoices is connected properly to your ingredients. Now there are 3 reasons an item will appear in this table. The purchase item needs to be connected or mapped to an ingredient. The pack size of the purchase item wasn't recognized, or the cost of a previously mapped item changed drastically, either by half or times 2, signifying a pack size change. Let's start with the first one. The new purchase item needs to be mapped to an ingredient. In Meez, your ingredients are listed in the table marked ingredients. These ingredients exist in recipes, which are listed under the table marked recipes. In order to get your recipe costs, you first need to attach costs to your ingredients. And the fastest way to do that is to connect your invoice items, the stuff you're buying, to your ingredients. So I'm on the new purchase item table, and here we have an invoice item that needs attention. Semolina flour 50-pound bag. And you'll see we already have the invoice number, the vendor, and the pack size included. The only thing we need to do here is address what is in red. In this case, what ingredient we want to attach this invoice item to. So I'll start typing, and I'll see my options in the dropdown. Notice semolina flour has a green apple icon. This means that it's in my account already, and I should pick that one. And just so you can see it, if I simply type in flour, I'll see a drop down with a lot of ingredients with the Meez logo. These ingredients can be pulled from the Meez database. If you don't see a green apple ingredient that makes sense, choose one from the Meez database instead. Lastly, if you don't see your item listed in the database, nor one with the green apple icon, then you can just create it as a new ingredient here. In general, it's best to do this as a last resort. Once I map that invoice item to that ingredient, the two are linked. You'll see the cost will appear on that ingredient's unique page, and the cost will appear in any recipe that includes that ingredient. And remember, you only have to map this just once. By mapping the invoice item to the ingredient, whenever this item is purchased again, the cost will automatically update. The second reason why an item might appear in the new purchase item table is that the pack size is not recognized. When this happens, the pack size will appear in red. To correct this, we recommend clicking the pack size and selecting Add as a new unit. By doing this, you are defining just this item's pack size moving forward. So now we click Add as a new unit, and now we just have to tell Meez 2 pieces of information: the quantity and the unit. And I know for this pack size that the quantity is 20 and that the unit is pound, or LB. And now we click Add. Sometimes a pack size will come in as an each. If the cost of the product is indeed by the each, for instance a 79-cent hamburger bun, you can select Confirm Each. Now we can see the pack size is in black, which means we're good. If there's more to define here, those fields will appear in red. If there's nothing left to define, the item will be removed from the table automatically. The third and final reason why an item might appear in this table is that the item was previously mapped and purchased again with a change of cost, either by half or double. The real reason for this alert is that it's likely a pack size change. So to correct this alert, simply click on the cost in red, and here you can confirm whether this is the right pack size, or you can go ahead and correct the pack size if need be. So for this item, I know that it's a case of 60 pieces. So I'm going to write in a case of 60, and that's it. Now what happens if there's some items here that you don't want in your account? For anything you want to remove from your account, simply click the checkboxes to the left. You can select multiple items at once this way. When you select an item, notice two options appear. The first is delete. This means you'll remove it from your purchase item table. However, if this item gets purchased again, it will reappear. The second icon is delete and don't import again. This will remove the item from the new purchase item table and block it from coming into your account again the next time you purchase it. Choose this option for anything you don't need in your recipes. If you make a mistake and need the item to appear again, you can always contact support@getmeez.com and we'll help you out. So that's how to use the new purchase item table to map invoice items to your ingredients in Meez. If you have any questions or would like a one-on-one tutorial, please reach out to support@getmeez.com or click the question mark at the top right to open up a chat with our support team. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.